Hi students, good morning. This is your Ravi sir. Welcome to my maths class. Today we are going to see question number 10 from exercise 11.2. There is a pentagonal shape park as shown in the figure. See student, this is a figure. The shape of this figure, pentagonal. Pentagon means there are 5 sides. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides means it is called pentagon. See, for finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. See, there are two students. One is Jyoti is there and Kavita is there. They are going to find out the area of this park. But they are going to find this area of the park in two different ways. दो अलग अलग तरीके से वो लोग एरिया को फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं इस पार्क का. See, the measurements are given. 15 meter. This side is 15. This side is 15. Total height from here to here 30 meter. Okay student, so this is Jyoti's diagram. See, Jyoti is going to find out in this way area of this park, and Kavita is going to find out the area of this park in this way, in different ways. Find the area of this park using both ways. See, we have to find out the area of this park in both the ways. Let's see. Okay student, see student, this is a diagram I have drawn over here, same diagrams. First of all, we are going to find out Jyoti's diagram. This is Jyoti diagram. So area of student, Jyoti diagram, area of pentagon ABCEF. This is a pentagon. So first of all, we will find out area of trapezium ABCD. This is the one trapezium, another trapezium AFED. Okay, so both the measurements are same. So first of all, we will find out the area of trapezium ABCD. 1 by 2 into height into sum of two parallel sides. Parallel sides means AD plus BC. These are the two parallel sides, and height will be CD. Okay, so total length is 15 meters. So we are dividing it into two equal parts. So we have to divide this 15 into two parts. It means divided by 2. 15 divided by 2, it means 7.5. So 1 by 2 into 7.5 into 30 plus 15. Okay, AD is 30 because height. This is total height 30. Okay, AD is 30 and BC it is given 15. See, this is the side 15 na? So we are taking BC 15. AD means from top to bottom, here up to here. So up to means 30 meter we have to take. So 30 plus 15 is equal to 45. So 7.5 we can write 75 upon 10 like this. So 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 75 multiplied by 9 is equal to 675 upon denominator 2 multiplied by 2, 4. So when you divide this 675 divided by 4, you will get 168.75. But this is the area of one trapezium only. So there are two trapeziums are there. So how we will get area of pentagon ABCEF is equal to, we should multiply by 2 to this value. So 2 into 168.75, you will get 337.50 meter square. So this is the area of Jyoti's diagram. Okay student, now we will find Kavita diagram. Kavita's diagram, this is the figure. So this figure is made up of two figures. See, this is the triangle shape and this is the square shape. If we find the area of triangle and area of square and sum of these two areas, ultimately you will get the area of pentagon. So see, area of pentagon ABCDE. So here combination of two figures, area of triangle ABE plus area of square BCDE. So first of all, I am finding area of triangle ABE. So we know the formula of area of triangle, half into base into height. So 1 by 2 base means this is the base. So in square all sides are equal. So sides it is given in the diagram 15 meter. So in place of base you write 15, and height means total is 30 na. So 30 minus 15 you will get this height. So from total height you can subtract this height. So you will get 30 minus 15. 15 you will get. So height is also 15. Now 15 into 15, 225 divided by 2. So you will get 112.5 meters square. Now we will find out the area of square. Side multiply by side. So in square all sides are equal. 15 into 15, 225 meters square. So finally area of pentagon ABCD is equal to area of triangle plus area of square. So ultimately you will get 337.5 meters square. So Kavita is finding other way, and Jyoti is also finding other way, but finally both the areas are same.